Hello there, I'm John Torrance. I teach confident communication, and this is Andy Bargery.
Hello, John Torrance. How are you today?
I'm all right. Andy, tell everyone about you.
I help agency owners and leaders to run better businesses through my Agency Squared platform.
Okay, and today Andy and I are going to be talking about a specific aspect of pitching because we are running a pitching event called Pitch Perfect in which you can learn how to deliver the perfect pitch. So what should we talk about today, Andy?
Well, John, you were very keen to talk about the happy ending, and so I'm delighted to introduce that into this video.
Yeah, so every story has a happy ending, or it should have a happy ending. The idea with this is really making the ask. It's making sure you conclude your pitch the proper way. And by that, I mean not in the traditionally British way of, here's my amazing idea, and then bowing and walking out the room backwards. It's basically, here's my amazing thing. I hope I've persuaded you it's worth investing in. But now here's what I want. And it's not arrogant, it's business. Here's what I'd like from you. No fear of judgment, put it out there, see what they say.
How do you do that in a professional way, particularly if you're a little bit nervous about, as you say, making the ask?
Well, it's a little bit of that confidence, fake it to make it. I think presenting without fear of judgment is the idea of telling them what you want as if they've asked you what the time is and you've told them it's this. It's delivering something, it's a fact. You're telling them this is what you're after. And without any caveats of, but we could do this or we could change it, which I would see as traditionally British, you deliver it in a simple business-like way. This is what we would like. And that's it. And by doing that in a calm way and looking confident as you do it, you're showing you believe that your project, your idea deserves that investment.
Yes, and that just fuels confidence, doesn't it? In yourself, but also in your audience. If they think you really believe in your idea and you're clear and calm in the way you ask for the money, the contract, the whatever that close is, and that helps helps your audience to really feel confident in your abilities.
It does. And if you're not coming across as desperate or keen to impress or overly keen to impress, it's possible they might think, well, maybe you've got someone else interested in this. So you say, this is what we're after. Maybe it's more than they were expecting. But I think by looking confident when you do that, they might think, yes, you seem pretty happy about that. I wonder what's going on. Maybe you have someone else who's interested in it.
So that's, I think, if you're pitching for investment into your product, maybe as well.
Yeah.
But if you're trying to close a client on an idea of a presentation, a pitch you've put forward, and you want them to sign up to using your agency, is it the same sort of methodology, do you think?
I think the most important thing is delivering it in a comfortable conversational way, being relaxed about it so that you conclude the whole interaction in a friendly, comfortable way.
I think that's a great way to put it. A friendly, comfortable way is really important in any part of a communication process, I suppose, if you're trying to convince someone to buy into you or your idea. So I like that.
Yeah, I mean, you're making an ask, but at the same time, you're giving time to get involved or to not get involved. And in a way, you're conveying the idea that you don't really mind either way, which takes a bit of courage.
So, John, let's practice the happy ending. Where should people go to if they want to book onto the Pitch Perfect training course?
If you'd like to book onto the Pitch Perfect training course, you need to go to agencysquared.co.uk, click on the training tab, and there you will find all the details.
Perfect. So agencysquared.co.uk, click on training. The course is called Pitch Perfect, and there you can find the details and you can book on as well.